Hello, here we have a lovely 1936 LC Smith & Corona Silent. Very pretty machine. The body itself is in nice shape. There's one little nick right there. Really nothing on this side. Little bit of stuff on the paper rest there, which that may actually come off, not sure. We have a Parker Typewriter Company decal from Pasadena, California there. It's in nice shape still. On the very front of the machine there's a couple of dings there, looks like from going in and out of the case, but that's really it. A little bit of abrasion on the back, got a ding right there and some right there and right there. Again, that's mostly case wear. Overall, the machine shows well. The chrome is in good shape. There's no rust. The inside of the machine is mostly clean. Everything moves well. Nothing sticks. The ribbon vibrator functions as it should. The Type Touch selector works extremely well, as does the ribbon reverse and all three settings of the vibrator. Paper fingers, everything's there. This little doodad is kind of snazzy for putting it into the case, right? And little paper rests there. And this guy is nice and graded as well, so you can set it to where you want it and leave it. This machine types with an Elite typeface. So it's a little bit smaller than your standard Pica machines. Keys are in good shape. There's one ding where the back of the 6 is starting to pull up just a hair, but that's it. All the rest of them are in excellent condition, very well shined. I'll throw some paper in it and a little type sample for you. Just so you can see that this is the same type sample that's going to be in the auction. There's my piece of paper for it. Alright. On the black setting, the quick brown box jumps over the lazy dog. Nice and dark, nice and crisp. Everything prints very sharp. All caps. The quick brown box jumps over the lazy dog. And we'll go on the red setting here. Remove the caps. The quick brown box, whoop, mistype, jumps over the lazy dog. And capital setting on the red. The quick brown box jumps over the lazy dog. So there we go, 1936 Smith Corona Silent, flat top beauty.